BioResearch is one of the few companies that manufactures full range of Ayurvedic products, that is healthcare products, skincare products and hair care products. All products are registered with Ministry of Ayush, Government of India and are GMP certified. Ayurveda is 5,000 years old medical science and is based on the principle of treating the cause of the problem, unlike symptoms treated by modern medicines. Moreover, an Ayurvedic product has no side effect and it does not interfere with other systems of medicines. What sets it apart from other companies is that all its products are unique and result oriented. The user can feel the positive difference from day one. BioResearch products are formulated on the basis of teachings of our great rishis, that is Charaka, Vagbhat, Sushruta and many more. BioResearch has solution to cure many diseases that is not cured by modern medicines. Some prominent diseases are thyroid disorder, high bad cholesterol, liver disorder, depression, anxiety, arthritis, digestion, constipation, low immunity, lung diseases like TB, asthma, bronchitis, PCOD and fertility problems in ladies. The list is endless. Similarly, BioResearch has solution to naturally enhance beauty with our natural products like nourishing creams based on flowers, fruits, vegetables, minerals and herbs. There are several kinds of face washes, body lotions, facial kits, scrubs, gels and face packs that we produce. We have also solution for sun protection for eternal youth and skin fairness creams. Regarding hair segments, there are natural colors based on henna and other herbs. It does not harm your hair. There are other products to stop hair fall and strengthen your hair. We have also a herbal hair cleanser and hair oil. BioResearch mouthwash and gargle for removing germs and bacteria from throat and mouth. Sore throat is caused by viral infections such as cold, flu and bacteria. Even coronavirus symptoms start with the sore throat. Once sore throat is developed, mostly it gets aggravated resulting in fever and thereafter antibiotics is needed for treatment. You must have observed that once sore throat is developed, no amount of gargle with hot salt water or other mouthwash is really helpful. BioResearch mouthwash is a wonderful and never before product that stops the infection from throat. From the very first gargle, the recovery starts almost immediately. It contains time-tested and proven herbs like clove oil, peppermint, rubia, mulethi, Cordifolia terminalia bellerica, Google, etc. It is a complete solution to your throat infection. Alkaline powder for making body alkaline and used today to make your life better. Most of the diseases on this earth are due to acidic pH of our body. When God created human beings, our body was alkaline as food we ate was organic and water was pure and air without pollutants. So very few diseases were present and people's immunity was high. In modern time, due to harmful chemicals, pesticides and insecticides and genetically modified food, polluted air and water, our body has turned acidic. It results in onset of many diseases like acidity, insomnia, restlessness, lack of energy, constipation, negative thoughts, and even terminal diseases like cancer. BioResearch alkaline powder, with its unique combination of ingredients like Mukta Shukti Bhasm, Sajikhar, sodium hydrogen phosphate, etc., makes the body alkaline. You can expect so many benefits with alkaline powder like reduce hyperacidity, sound sleep and no cramps in night, lighter body, abundant physical energy, good digestion and prevent develop major diseases. Regu thyroid tablets for treatment of hypo and hyperthyroid. Thyroid disorder is a very common problem nowadays. It is due to malfunction of thyroid gland and usually one takes modern medicines and steroids to keep it in check, but it doesn't get cured and many side effects develop. Ayurveda has a solution to treat thyroid. Regothyro tablets, with its unique combination of extracts of Kanchanar, Varun, Gugul, Gorakhmundi, etc., offers complete treatment for this disease without any side effects. Many people have benefited with its wonderful medicine. Livo Surge Syrup for liver. Due to liver, many problems and complications occur in the body like loss of appetite, puffiness and water retention, fatigue, nausea, low immunity, etc. Modern medicines do not have a real effective solution to attend to this disease. Livosurge syrup is based on the knowledge of Ayurveda and consists of herbs like Dugdfeni, Bhumi Amla, Kutki, Punarnava, Bhringraj, Daru Haldi, etc. to regularize the function of liver and cure you of all these problems. Regustrol syrup for cholesterol treatment. Bad cholesterol levels can lead to hardening of arteries and heart diseases. Modern medicine just manages the diseases and one has to take lifelong medicines that have its own side effects. Regustrol syrup, with its unique combination of Ayurvedic herbs like extracts of Arjuna, Shuddh Gugul, Pushkar, Jatamansi, Mulethi, Giloy, etc., regularize the cholesterol level and protect from heart diseases. Vata Care tablets for balancing Vata dosh. Due to imbalance of Vata dosh in the body, 80 diseases occur. Among them, major are arthritis, sciatica, dryness in the mouth, hearing loss, toothache, stiffness in the back, numbness in feet, foot drop, pain in the feet, splitting of nails, cracking feet, etc. Sometimes medical science is not able to diagnose these problems as the X-ray, CT scan, blood tests do not indicate anything abnormal, but the problem persists. Vata Care tablets, with its unique combination of herbs like ashwagandha, sont, triphala, tulsi, giloy, etc., regularize the Vata dosh and takes care of related diseases. Pitta Care tablets for regularizing Pitta dosh. 40 diseases occur due to imbalance of Pitta in the body. Among them, common are liver diseases, thyroid diseases, high BP, dermatitis, myopia, hair loss and epilepsy, chronic fever, etc. Modern science is not able to diagnose this cause nothing abnormal shows up in X-ray, CT scan, blood tests, etc. But the problem is there. Pitta Care tablet, with its unique combination of herbs like Satavar, Brahmi, Giloy Triphala, Sankh Bhasma, etc., regularize Pitta dosh and cures you of all these diseases. Kapha Care tablets and Kapha dosh. 20 diseases occur due to imbalance of Kapha dosh in the body. Among them, common are bronchitis, flu, sinusitis, cold, running nose, swellings, etc. Modern science is not able to diagnose this cause as nothing abnormal will show up in X-ray, CT scan, blood test, etc. But the problem is there. Kapha tablets, with its unique combination of herbs like Pushkar Mool, Shuddh Gugul, Ashwagandha, Dalchini, Haldi, regularize Kapha dosh and relieves the body of all these diseases. VigoSurge capsules. Due to modern lifestyle, junk food, polluted air and water, worries and fast life, the married life is under stress. As a result, following symptoms like erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, loss of libido develops, putting your marital bliss under cloud. VigoSurge capsules, with its unique proven formulation containing time-tested herbs like Gokshuru, Safed Moosli, Shuddh Shilajit, Amla, Tagar, puts the spark back in your married life and cures you of these problems. Life capsules for immunity, energy and long life. With the advancement of age and modern lifestyle, immunity of our body is reduced and metabolism also slows down, resulting in fatigue, sickness and proximity to diseases. If we can reverse the process, that is, boost the immunity and increase the metabolism, technically, we are reversing the aging process. That is, making ourselves younger, youthful, full of lifestyle, and without disease. Life Capsules is a potent combination of Amalaki Rasayan, Shuddh Shilajit, Giloy, and Ashwagandha. The magical properties of these ingredients are frequently mentioned in Ayurveda. 2 capsules a day will charge your energy level like your younger days and protect you from most of the diseases. DigoSurge tablets for digestion. Due to weak digestion, lots of problems like bloating, constipation, diarrhea, heartburn, nausea, pain in the belly occurs. Modern medicine, while pacifying the symptoms, temporarily cures it. Also, there are many side effects. DigoSurge, with its unique combination of natural Ayurvedic herbs, ingredients like Nishodh, Amla, Long, Bayavidang, Nagarmotha, Chitrak, Harad, etc., treats and cure you of all these problems. LaxoSurge powder for constipation. Constipation is one of the major causes for many diseases. It can lead to hemorrhoids, anal fissures, fecal incontinence, colonic condition, and neurological disorders. Modern medicines only attend to the problems, barely touching the underlying causes. LaxoSurge powder, with its unique combination of Ayurvedic herbs like Sane, Sunthi, Choti Harad, Mulethi, Amaltash, etc., regularize your bowel movement. Anashwara Baby Massage Oil. Massaging your babies is a must for enhancing their healthy growth. Some of the benefits are that it can aid digestion, help relieve gas and constipation. It can increase daily weight gain, adjust baby to the nighttime sleep. It helps develop good muscle tones and suppleness. It boosts immune system, improves skin texture. Besides, there are also many other numerous benefits. Choosing right massage oil for babies is very important. It should meet all these requirements. Anashwara Baby Massage Oil is formulated with precious and proven herbs like bargad, peepal, plaksha, udumbara, safed chandan, manjistha, haldi, etc. It contributes to healthy growth of babies. Caution: it is recommended to have a patch test to ensure whether it is not allergic to the skin. Anashwara Body Cooling Oil. In tropical and hot countries like India, temperature remains high for 8 to 9 months. It tends to heat up the body. As a result, one has to consume a lot of cold drinks and cool producing food. Massage with conventional oils further heat up the body and one is faced with excess thirst and heat. Anashwara Body Cooling Oil is formulated with cooling herbs as to bring down the body temperature, thereby feeling less hot and comfortable even in peak summers. Ingredients like khas, chandan, shesham, manjistha produces a very pleasant cooling effect. Patch test is recommended. Pulmosurge tablet for lungs problems. Smoking, air pollution, bacteria and virus attack the nasal, throat and bronchial airways, affecting the lungs. As a result, asthma, bronchitis, TB and lungs congestion take place. Pulmosurge tablet with its herbal formulation consisting of Vanslochan, Dalchini, Mulethi, Pipli, Kali Mirch, Talspatra, Pushkar Mool, etc. opens the lungs and fights lungs infection successfully. Lightweight herbal tea for weight loss and antioxidant properties. Heavyweight play havoc with our health, resulting in lifestyle diseases like high BP, diabetes, heart problems, breathlessness, lethargy, insomnia, and on the other hand, oxidation produces free radical in our body and damage the body cells. BioResearch lightweight herbal tea is formulated with precious proven herbs like Arjuna, Dalchini, Tulsi, Sont, Saunf, etc. It provides optimal antioxidant to the body, enhances metabolism. Also, it regulates fats and carbohydrates metabolism to reduce excess fat deposits on the body parts. Result may vary from person to person. Lightweight tablets. Heavyweight plays havoc with our health, resulting in lifestyle diseases like high BP, diabetes, heart problems, breathlessness, lethargy, insomnia, and so. On the other hand, oxidation produces free radical in our body and damage the body cells. Bioresearch lightweight tablet is a combination of Ayurveda herbs like amla, harad, kukum, punanava, methi, mulethi, etc., which regulates BMR and inhibits excess calories intake and check conversion of excess carbohydrates into fat and also control lipid level. Regu stress capsules for relieving mental stress. Modern lifestyle, food habit and pollution are the main reasons for mental stress, fatigue, insomnia, depressions and low libido. Modern medicine provides only temporary relief to these problems and further there are many side effects with them. Bioresearch Regu stress capsules containing adaptogenic herbs and minerals like Rajat Bhasm, Yasat Bhasm, Ashwagandha, Tagar, Brahmi, Shank Pushpi, etc. helps to relieve the symptoms and calm the nerve functions to maintain the physical and mental states of the body in natural condition. Health Surge Capsules. Bioresearch Health Surge Capsules is to increase the alertness, energy, immunity and enthusiasm in your body. It contains precious and proven herbs like Akarkara, Shuddh Shilajit, Kesar, Lata Kasturi, etc. Expect the benefits like ultimate fresh and relaxed feeling after sleep, unparalleled stamina and energy, deep relaxed sleep, inner strength and freedom from headache and other itches. Dosage 1 to 2 capsules twice a day. Himalayan Pink Salt. Bioresearch Himalayan Pink Salt is made from salt slabs available on Himalayan foothills. Major benefits of using these salts are that it's made from the purest slabs of salt available on the Himalayan foothills. It helps regulate your blood pressure. It is the only salt that is naturally rich in potassium, magnesium, calcium and iron, which increases the hemoglobin and improves the deficiencies of minerals in the body. It flushes out the toxins from the body. It regulates blood sugar and hormonal balance. It improves the digestion and it adds a spoon in your bath as bath soak sheds out the dead skin from body, giving it a soft and youthful effect. Cardiovelle capsules. High blood pressure, hypertension plays havoc with the health. It can lead to coronary diseases as well as stroke. Bioresearch BP capsules is a combination of potent Ayurvedic herbs and mineral preparations that is Mukta and Pravalpishti, which regulates the blood pressure through natural way and provides antioxidant, anti-ischemic and anti-hypersensitive actions. It strengthens the overall circulatory system of the body and calms the brain activities. It reduces the blood pressure without any side effect. ArthoSurge Pain Relieving Gel. ArthoSurge Pain Relieving Gel is a combination of potent herbal extract and essential oils giving analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties which immediately penetrates the skin to relieve pain and improve lubrication in joints, strengthens the bones and muscles to improve endurance. It contains herbs like Harshrigar, Amahaldi, Sahajan, oils of Gandhpuro, eucalyptus, Malkangini, Shalaki, etc. Dosage: take sufficient quantity of gel and massage gently on painful joint followed by hot water fermentation. Use twice daily or as directed by the physician. Ayurvedic chocolate. Bioresearch Ayurvedic chocolate is a new concept where we encourage both children and adults to eat more chocolates without any guilt feeling. In fact, it adds to your health, physical and mental. Since it contains herbs like Ashwagandha, Brahmi, Shank Pushpi and Tulsi, etc., it provides numerous nutritional benefits. Have one today. BioCalcs. With advancement of age, calcium depletes from the bones, resulting in weak and porous bones. Also, calcium is the conduit for absorption of nutrients, that is vitamins, proteins and carbohydrates from the food. Lack of calcium results in undernourishment and weak bones. Most of the calcium supplements in the market are chemically made, hence, our body does not absorb them fully. Only a small fraction is absorbed by the body and rest is expelled, hence, our body remains calcium deficient. Biocalcs is totally natural, hence, our body absorbs it fully and our calcium requirement is fulfilled. With biocalcs, one can expect strong bones, relief from pains in knees, waist, and other joints, and a glowing skin. Caution: not to be taken by a person having kidney or gallbladder stone. Also, stop using if high BP develops. Dosage: 1 pouch daily or take 2 tablets morning and evening. Variable capsules. Varicose veins are swollen, twisted veins that occur in legs. It is due to weak and damaged veins, walls, and valves. It may form when blood pressure is increased in the veins. Very capsules, with its time-tested formulation of proven herbs, that is gum arabic, brahmi, yashad bhasma, ginger, garlic, etc., it effectively treats these diseases. Hand sanitizer. Hands are involved in daily routine life activity and exposed to external environments. Simply washing with soap does not kill harmful bacteria and viruses present on surface of hands. To kill these harmful germs, BioResurge hand sanitizer is very effective. Formulated with tea tree oil, rosemary oil, isopropyl, alcohol and aloe vera gel, it effectively offers complete protection against infections. Available in 60 ml, 100 ml, 250 ml and 500 ml. BioResurge turmeric, the healthy haldi. Do you suffer from persistent cough and it refuses to go away no matter what medicine you take? Use BioResurge turmeric for quick relief. It is different as it contains 5.5% curcumin against 1.5% in normal turmeric. Direction for use: take 1/3 spoon of BioResurge turmeric with 1 cup of warm water. Add some black pepper and drink it. Take 3 times a day. Gold coated chocolate. Gold coated chocolate is a new concept in luxury, and according to Ayurveda, edible gold has numerous benefits for the body. It is associated with youth, vitality and longevity. Chocolate is good for heart and circulation of blood. Also, it reduces cholesterol, thus reducing the risk of stroke. It is good for the skin and can help lose weight. Gold coated chocolate is beneficial for health. Honey with gold. Ancient records show the use of gold for medicinal and healing purposes came from Alexandria, Egypt. Over 5,000 years ago, the Egyptians ingested gold for mental, bodily and spiritual purification. It is believed that gold in the body worked by stimulating the life force and raising the level of vibration on all levels. It has antioxidant, antiseptal, local anesthetic, anti-inflammatory, warming, soothing and anti-flatulent properties. BioResurge honey ingested with 24 karat pure gold boosts the antioxidant levels and energy in the body. It is useful in memory loss, stomach disorders, heart problems and diabetes, and acts as a detoxicant. Honey with saffron. Saffron is a very valuable spice and herb. It has a distinct taste and aroma. It has been used extensively for relief from depression, improvement in symptoms of Alzheimer's disease, and also helps with premenstrual syndrome. Honey is well known for its antiseptic properties. It is also an antioxidant and provides numerous health benefits to the body. Moreover, it acts as a carrier for saffron to be absorbed by the body. Make BioResurge honey with saffron your regular habit.
Sorrowell cream for relief from psoriasis, seborrhea, inflammation, red patches, eczema, cellulites, ringworm, skin allergy, and infections are some of the skin disorders. Sorrowell cream, with its time tested formulation of Ayurvedic herbs, that is Indraja, Haldi, Neem Patra, red capsicum, almond oil, coconut oil, Wheat germ oil, etc., provides long term relief from the mentioned symptoms. Dosage: apply sufficient quantity on affected area and rub gently. Use 2 to 3 times in a day. Sorrel oil for relief from psoriasis. Bioresearch sorrel oil provides relief in symptoms of psoriasis, eczema, cellulitis, ringworm, skin allergy, and infections. It also reduces the inflammation and red patches on the skin. Formulated with proven Ayurvedic herbs like Indraja, Haldi, Mandukaparni, Manjeet, Mulati, Neem Patra, red capsicum, tea tree oil, coconut oil, and eucalyptus oil. It provides long term relief in the mentioned symptoms.
Anashvara Carrot Skin Nourishing Cream for maintaining skin elasticity and prevents wrinkles. Carrot contains high amount of beta carotene, vitamin A, vitamin C, minerals and antioxidants. Due to the presence of vitamin A and C, it prevents wrinkles and process of aging. The antioxidants and carotenoids in carrot cream can treat skin conditions like acne, pimple, rashes, dermatitis, etc. Anashvara Vetiver Skin Nourishing Cream. Vetiver herb is known for its cooling effect. The Anashvara Nourishing Cream is based on vetiver. It has calming and stabilizing effect while removing dust and pollution from the skin. It is an excellent moisturizer that rejuvenates the skin cells and also it provides relief to insomnia patients. Anashvara Sun Protection Cream. The UV rays of intense sun rays causes skin burns and other skin disorders. Anashvara Skin Protection Cream contains a combination of red raspberry oil and carrot seed oil, which provides a high sun protection factor and protects the skin from damaging effect of UV rays. Since it has no harmful chemical, it can be used regularly. Anashvara Sandal Skin Nourishing Cream for prevention of acne and pimples. Sandal is known for its properties to cleanse the skin and provide sufficient moisture to improve skin elasticity and skin cells. It has great anti-tanning properties and prevents sagging and aging skin effect that results in youthful appearance. Anashvara Coconut Skin Nourishing Cream for smooth skin texture. Coconut has high level of vitamin C and copper that reduces wrinkles and improves skin elasticity. It also tackles sunburn effect while moisturizing the skin. Anashvara Papaya Skin Nourishing Cream for skin lightening. Papain enzyme present in papaya is responsible for skin whitening, reducing unwanted hair, exfoliate dead skin and repairs aging skin. Also, papaya skin nourishing cream is a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E, pantothenic acid, folate, magnesium and potassium that helps to promote good skin by keeping pimples away and by balancing the secretion of oil. Anashvara Strawberry Nourishing Cream for revitalizing the skin. Allergic present in strawberry is an antioxidant that helps minimize the wrinkles and also prevents the collagen which helps for skin tightening. Strawberry Nourishing Cream mildly exfoliates the topmost dead skin layer which makes way for the skin problems like whiteheads and blackheads. Anashvara Shilajit Face Pack. Shilajit is a mineral that comes from highly altitude mountains and contains natural vitamins, minerals and nutrients. Anashvara Shilajit Face Pack contains extracts of pure Shilajit that provides essential nutrients for natural skin and helps removing fine lines and scars. Also, it improves blood flow and provides soft glow to the face. Anashvara Papaya Face Pack. Due to antioxidant properties of papaya, it cleanses, exfoliates and has bleaching properties that treats sagging skin. It also lightens the skin and pigmentation. It is a perfect remedy for age spots, blemishes and skin pigmentation. Anashvara Rose Face Pack. Rose petals are rich in vitamin C, vitamin B, and vitamin K. Anashvara Rose Face Pack makes the skin texture smoother, combat pimples, acne, skin scars. Regular use of this face pack gives fresh and radiant and glowing skin. Also, it lightens the skin pigmentation. Anashvara Sandal Face Pack. It is a blend of rejuvenating herbs that effectively make the skin youthful looking and vibrant for a long time. Anashvara Orange Face Scrub. This orange face scrub has the property to exfoliate the skin as this scrub digs down and exfoliates the buildup of dead cells. This scrub is for perfect complexion by opening the skin pores. Anashvara Strawberry Face Scrub for nourishing and revitalizing skin. This face scrub deep cleanses the skin by keeping the skin pores cleansed and opened. It is rich in vitamin C and fights oily skin. Since it is acidic in nature, it helps to remove sebum on skin and lightening blemishes and acne scars. Anashvara Golden Glow Face Wash. This is a wonderful, one-of-a-kind face wash. It contains real saffron and herbs like Rakta Chandan, Grit Kumari, neem, turmeric, etc. It reduces the melanin pigment of the skin and makes the skin lighter and smoother. It also provides golden glow to the face. Anashvara Vetiver Face Wash. An excellent face wash with moisturizing and antioxidant properties. Vetiver, with its cool and refreshing benefits, tightens the skin's pores and relaxes the mind and balances pH level of the skin. Anashvara Neem Haldi Face Wash. It deeply purifies skin impurities. Since neem has its antibacterial and antifungal properties, it prevents from acne and pimples. Turmeric improves skin tone and gives brighter skin. Anashvara Mandarin Orange Face Wash. It is a good source of vitamin C and E that are essential for healthy looking skin. Also, it fights signs of aging, wrinkles and fine lines. It gives a flawless and blemish free skin. BioResearch Gulab Jal. It is a pure distillate of real and hand-picked Indian roses. It has a great property to refresh and revitalize the skin. It is a natural toner to cleanse the skin from deep, to remove any dirt, grim, etc. Also, its smoothing and cooling property makes the skin soft and supple. It is suitable for all skin types. Anashvara Bottle Guard Skin Nourishing Cream. The therapeutic benefits, nourishing and cooling effect of Bottle Guard is well known. Bottle Guard cream carries all the goodness of Bottle Guard as it is rich in vitamin B and C, iron, sodium, potassium and acts as antioxidant. It keeps the pimple away by balancing the secretion of oil from the face. It also improves skin elasticity and skin cells. Besides its antioxidant properties, it protects the skin cells from being damaged. Anashvara Cucumber Skin Nourishing Cream. Cucumber is known for reducing dark circles as well as for its cooling effect on skin. Anashvara Cucumber Nourishing Cream treats sunburn and dark circles. It soothes the skin and tightens the skin pores. It is an excellent moisturizer that improves skin elasticity and rejuvenates skin cells. Also, it provides essential nutrients to the skin layer to make it soft and supple. Anashvara Orange Skin Nourishing Cream. Orange is a powerhouse of vitamin C. Anashvara Orange Skin Nourishing Cream is formulated with orange. Its vitamin C is very beneficial as a natural skin bleacher. It makes skin fairer and covers up dark blemishes and spots. It naturally cleanses the pores and shields the skin from harmful UV rays. Anashvara Skin Glow Oil for complete glow. It is a blend of time-tested herbs which are useful for whitening the skin and has powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-hyperpigmentation properties and likely to reduce the release of melanin pigment. It prevents skin discoloration, fades blemishes and improves shades of the skin. Its unique combination of kesar, rakt chandan, manjishtha, mulethi, daru haldi, khas, padmak, neel kamal, kamal kesar, palash, mahua, patang, etc. makes it a unparalleled beauty product, and you just have to apply 4 to 5 drops daily. A Nashvara Golden Glow Cream for golden skin. The proportion of melanin pigment in the skin vary from place to place and climatic conditions. The sun rays and environmental elements enhance the melanin content in the skin, resulting in darker skin tone. A Nashvara Golden Glow Cream contains saffron and other potent herbal extracts which reduce the melanin pigment of skin, makes it lighter and smooth by removing dead cells. Its unique combination of kesar, padmak, neel kamal, kamal kesar, etc. makes it a perfect use. A Nashvara Rose Nourishing Cream for embrace the softness. Medicinal properties of rose is soothing, cooling and moisturizing. It increases smoothness, reduces wrinkle on the face and helps the skin of body glowing and charming. Vitamin E oil is absolutely amazing for getting the facial glow you have always desired. Its unique combination of rose extract, rose water, Grit Kumari gel, almond oil, coconut oil, etc., which cleanses the skin deeply to remove dust and pollution. It is an excellent moisturizer that improves skin elasticity and rejuvenates skin cells. Hand cream. Main function of hand cream is to repair and restore damaged hands. It is to look them younger and feel softer. Also, it makes the skin smoother and useful. BioResearch, a Nashvara hand cream, is formulated with time-tested proven Ayurvedic herbs, that is almond oil, neem extract, wheat germ oil, glycerine, cocoa butter, shea butter, carbonome, etc. It makes your hand smooth, softer and young. Foot cream. Normally, feet get hard and cracked. It also becomes dry and itchy, causing damage to the skin. BioResearch, a Nashvara foot cream formulated with proven Ayurvedic herbs, that is wheat germ oil, seaweed oil, tea tree oil, cinnamon oil, almond oil, shea butter, cocoa butter and glycerine, etc. makes the foot skin soft. It also cures swelling, itching and dryness while filling the cracks. It helps eliminate foot odor, keeping the foot fresh for a long term and preventing fungal and bacteria attacking the feet. A Nashvara Youth Revival Cream for youthful skin. Free radicals, UV rays, pollution and loss of subcutaneous support lead to appearance of premature wrinkles on the skin. Its unique combination of Brahmi, Mulethi, aloe vera gel, Manduk Parni and natural oils, etc., which retard the aging process, provide the nutrient support to the skin and check the damage of collagen.
Facial kits. With BioResearch and Ashwara Beauty facial kits and in as little as Rs 100, pamper yourself with amazing glowing and youthful skin. Available in saffron golden glow kit for fair and glowing skin. Bottle guard kit for moisturizing, nourishing and ageless skin. Shilajit kit for wrinkle-free, smooth and youthful look. 5 steps to a beautiful hue. Cleanser for removing any dirt and makeup. Scrubber removes dead skin cells, polishes skin and makes it brighter. Gel massage for increasing blood circulation and improving muscle tone. Massage cream to allow moisture to penetrate into the skin and make it toned, supple and firm. Facial mask and pack to hydrate skin, remove excess oil and help improve skin pores. Experience today.
Padmakesh Stop Hair Fall Pack. Hair fall is a common problem worldwide. It can occur at any age or to any male or female. Primarily, hair fall occurs due to weakening of hair roots and drying up of hair nutrients. Modern medicines do not have a long-term solution to this problem. Padmakesh stop hair fall pack with goodness of Ayurvedic herbs like amla, jatamansi, nirgundi, jyotishmati, etc. nourishes the hair roots and stops the hair fall from the very first application. Padmakesh Shilajit hair pack. Weakening of hair roots, loss in density and volume of hair is directly related to depletion of hair nutrients on scalp and hair roots. Shilajit hair pack with its unique combination of Shuddh Shilajit gives strength to the hair and make them healthy and dense. Padmakesh hair wash for prevention of hair fall, removing dust and dandruff. Most of the glamorous and well advertised shampoo does more harm to the hair than benefits. This is due to the presence of harmful chemicals in them that dries up the natural essential oil and nutrients from hair roots and scalp. As a result, hair loss occurs. BioResearch Padmakesh hair wash. With its unique formulation of time-tested herbs like Java Kusum, Bringraj, Kari Patta, Shank Pushpi, etc., it stops the damage to the hair and strengthens the hair roots by nourishing them. Henna Natural Hair Colors. Cover grey hair with mehendi based color and look young. Just for 16 rupees, cover your grey hair with natural and healthy henna based color.
It takes 2 to 3 hours.
Unlike synthetic color and dyes, it does not harm your eyesight and do not encourage hair fall. Only you get lustrous, healthy and natural looking hair. Available in black, brown and dark brown shades. Padmakesh Nourishing Hair Oil for treatment of premature graying, dandruff and hair fall. With advancement of age, malnutrients and poor blood circulation, hair health and growth is affected. For healthy hair, it is essential to have proper blood circulation in the scalp and right nutrients. Padmakesh hair oil with its unique combination of herbs like Bringraj, Kari Patta, Brahmi, Neem and coconut oil restores the hair health and improves density and volume.